that during my time, you will be rewarded with a good pay and service and everything that you would need after. In Marawi, I released 500 right away for those who would need further medical attention. And I will continue to release 500 more and 500 more millions to my soldiers to do something for their country. Do not worry, I have 3 years. I will see to it that you will have funds when you retire and that your children and their schooling will be assured even if we are no longer there, either by natural or by any other means of saying goodbye to this world. Pag kayong sagot, I have your back covered. I am not a Filipino for nothing. I did what I had to do. And whether you believe it or not, I did it for my country.
Pilipinas, Duterte pa rin ang tunay na nagmamahal sa atin. Laban niya ay laban natin. Pilipinas, Duterte pa rin. Inang bayang minamahal, lagi kang ipagdarasal na muli kitang makita. Pilipinas, bangon, may pag-asa pa. Pilipinas,